Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unhide rows in Excel. Unhiding rows in Excel is essential for accessing and editing hidden data, ensuring complete and accurate analysis of your spreadsheet. So let's start the video. Here we have an Excel sheet with some hidden rows. You can tell because the row numbers jumps from 2 to 6. Rows 3, 4 and 5 are hidden. To unhide these rows, simply hover your mouse over the hidden row headings, and when the mouse pointer turns into a split two-headed arrow, double click on it. That's it, the hidden rows are now visible. Now if you want to unhide all hidden rows in Excel sheet at once, as you can see there are some other hidden rows as well. Select the entire worksheet by clicking on the small triangle at the top left corner of the worksheet. So click on this triangle. Now right click on the selected rows and select Unhide from the menu. All the hidden rows in your Excel spreadsheet are visible now. So that's how to unhide rows in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.